Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Dodge Durango windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blades straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back against the windshield. Once the old blade is removed, gently lower the empty wiper arm back to rest on the towel. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Repeat these steps for the second wiper blade on the other side of your Dodge Durango. With both new blades installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto your windshield. Before driving, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. This quick check confirms proper installation and optimal visibility. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.